YouTubers, we're here with our first set of Star Wars toys. Many more to come. We've got 3 figures we're going to show off. Old Republic Bounty Hunter, Shea, Vizla. Starkiller, Vader's Apprentice. And then Darth, Malgus. Oh, he looks awesome. Hey Guru, tell you about him.
Hello. Let's do the Starkiller. I've got lots of him by now, but I really like him. And I really like the games. Pretty boss. But I've had better. But I like that he came with 2 blue sabers. That's really neat. He came with some strappings instead of this thing, but I put this thing on him because it was his alternate costume. And he came with a little box to go on his back, but I put this on him because it just looks like cooler Mando armor or something. These little metal things attached onto him. And he's got the little pilot. It looks like he's in a pilot suit. And underneath he's got a little blue flap undone. He's got a little symbol on his arm. And I like his sabers. Out of both of his sabers, I probably like this one here more. Let me see if I can spin it. It's kind of silver on that side. Really sleek looking. She is awesome. She came with an alternate head, but it's got a janked up nose, so I'm pretty upset about it. And she has red hair. I love the colors. The colors are so cool. The fire blast can come out. They don't have to be in there. They're kind of heavy. They sort of droop, but not really. She's just a cool looking bounty hunter. I'd hire her. I like the blue she has on her legs down there. It's kind of hard to see because it looks really gray too. And then we got this cool guy right here. He's who I originally got the set for, but then I found out there was going to be those other 2, and I was like, cool. Comes with an extra hilt that hooks on his belt. The black pads there look neat. He's got, well, I'll take off his cape in a moment. His little gauntlets are neat. They're like 90s or 80s styles TV remotes or something like that on there. And this huge cape comes off. And his cape can unfold just as long on the other side too, but it rolls up real nicely. He's got like that weird padded stuff up on his arms. Got a nice bald looking head. I think he's got some red eyes in there. And look, I think he's jacked into the Matrix. He doesn't have a very big plug. And his cape has just got a little wire rim that holds it on there, which I'm not a big fan of. I'd rather have there be some kind of clasp or something in the front, but whatever, guess it works. So he's got 2 capes on. He's a pretty cool toy. And then they fought. All right, troops. We're going to take these scum down. Oops. Used the force too hard. Sorry, had a force burrito for lunch. You're fireballing this me, whore. Wow, that looks painful. I was trained by Vader. He had a lot of metal limbs, so who knows how good I am. Not that good. No! No! Oh! Force lift! Force drop! Oh! Oh no! Not my thingy-maboober! Oh no! We need backup! We need backup! You need more than that! It's so fun to be evil. Oops! Oops! Oh! Ow! Ow! Doesn't that always happen? Repeat! We need backup! We need backup! We need backup immediately! Go! Take him, my troops! Pause in game. Scourge, thank God you're here. Yes, no problem. Backpack throw. Ah! Grenade launch. Too easy. Okay, let's set up alpha formation. Yes, yes, got it, got it. Okay, we're setting up. I'm back alive somehow. All right. I got my antenna up. I'm totally ready for this. Oh, come on, stand up, bastard. All right, blue guy here, aiming. All right, I think we got like 9 people here.
And I'm the little guy. Let's do this.
Oh, my troops, they didn't do very well. Midget throw. Oh, he knocked me on my ass. I need revenge. Revenge. Yeah, it blocks lightsabers. Ah, my shoulder. Guts rip out. Throw them all over the guys. How you like guts? Again! Repeat, we need help. We're in major trouble here. Troops, get in there. All right, there's 2 of us left. We're totally gonna die. Let's do this. Fireball! Ah! I need to go get help. Twist in air. Mandos to the rescue, and other bounty hunters, and some guy with a saber. Oh no, little midget man, you fell out.
Oh, it's okay. I hop around and I'm really tiny. I'm even faster outside of my suit. Explode suit.
Oh, I used force bubble to keep myself alive. Force slice. Dead, midget, dead. Ah! Did you just scream like a girl? No! It was an evil scream! If you strike me down, you'll become more evil than you've ever been. I don't care! Haha, now I'm evil. I'm going to destroy all the bounty hunters I hired so I don't have to pay them. How dare you, you evil, glowy-looking bitch. Force block. Force throwback. Another pile of evil doers to kill. Throwing chunks of this thing at you. Force hitting them back at you. Oh, now I'm kicking them back at you. Har, har, har. Har, har, har. Har. Ah, it's good to be evil.
Evil kid, and I'm here to hurt you. I'm the most evil there is, because I'm a little boy. I'll grow up to be the most evil one of all. I'm telling you, double-edged sabers are the coolest. Oh, my ankle!
Robot. Significantly better than boy. Snap. Too easy for robot.
Electric. Unlimited power.
Trick time. Oh, don't run away, piggy. Oh no, oh no. And force explode. I don't even need a saber. I'm badass. Force eyeball grab. Oh, your eyeballs are gone, bitch. I always wanted you, but Anakin had his hold over you. Now you will die. What about me? Did you want me? No, you're orange. I hate aliens. That was the whole movie. I hated aliens. You hate me now? I'm super hot. You've turned evil, haven't you? You were Anakin's apprentice. Oh, yes, I have. How did you find out? I could smell it. Choking to death. I loved her from the future. Oh, my hand. Oh, my beard. My face. I've got the loudest saber of them all. I'm like the coolest. Oh, shit. Mando King. Smurf guy. Mando King wins.
More battles to come.